Welcome back to another edition of Access All Areas. With the festive season just around the corner, the floating Christmas tree on the Geelong Waterfront returned for its 5th year to light up our shores. It's a project we're very lucky to be a part of. Local signies Eagle Creative called on CPH Group to CNC router cut the formwork panels for the colourful graphics that adorn the base of the tree. With a tight turnaround timeframe, the CNC and production teams work closely together to ensure the smooth flow from toolpath creation through to the finished panels and delivery. Eagle Creative chose our premium Supatac print media to wrap the panels with graphics featuring bright Christmas presents. They then installed LED strips behind, providing a colourful base for the tree. The end result looks stunning and certainly impressed the 15,000 strong crowd who turned out to watch the opening ceremony. The light show runs nightly on the Geelong Waterfront up until Christmas and draws huge audiences to see this spectacular event. That's it for another Access All Areas. Contact us today to discuss how we can bring your next project to life.